Good morning, students. So today we are starting our chapter number 4, determinant. Now let me see first the definition of the determinant. Now students, what is a determinant? So determinant is the number which is associated with the square matrix of order n, where n is the order of the matrix. It can be any, but it must be a square matrix. Okay, so this thing is important for you, student, that A must be a square matrix. Okay, then we can find out the number which is associated to it. It is known as a determinant. If we can consider this number can be real or a complex, so we can define a function from a matrix to the number like this, that f from m to k. Here m is a square matrix and k is some number. Then f is a function defined from a matrix to the number. Then f of a is equals to k. Here f of a is called an determinant. So this is the definition of the determinant, student. But actually what it is, we have to see that also. So let me see what is it. Suppose it is a 2 by 2 matrix. We know that this A, B, C, D is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now when you are going to write the determinant, then its determinant can be written as determinant of A is equals to, in the symbol of determinant, A, B, C, D. So and read as determinant of A. So students, keep in mind this is the symbol of the determinant. So don't read it as a determinant or modulus of A. You should read it as determinant of A. So we will keep in mind these two things, that determinant of A, this symbol is read as determinant of A, not a modulus of A. And second, that determinant are only found only for the square matrix. So if you have a matrix of order 2 by 3 or 2 by 4 or 3 by 1, 3 by 2, then you cannot find out the determinant for the matrix. Okay, the determinants can be found only for the square matrix. Now this is the definition, but how to find out the value of the determinant? So that's why we have considered determinant value of the determinant of the different order. Now if I consider the determinant of order 1, then you know, student, that A is equals to A. This is the order 1 matrix. Okay, so in that case if we write down the determinant as a determinant of A, और इसकी value find करने के लिए हमें कुछ नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, because it is a single element, so its value will be A only. But if you have a determinant of order 2, so in this case we have to proceed further. So A is equal to this matrix A, B, C, D. Then its determinant can be written as AD minus BC. Okay, वो लिखा कैसे जाएगा? So in the symbol of the determinant A, B, C, D, and we have to find out the value. How to find the value? Here AD minus BC. So you should multiply in this way. So this is your first multiplication, that is principal diagonal, and then secondly you apply for this. Okay, that is a BC. So this is the solution for the matrix of order 2. Now, determinant of order 2. Now let me see the solution for determinant of order 3. So here we have the solution of determinant of order 3. Let me see quickly the steps and then we will see the steps in detail. So first, determinant of matrix 3 can be determined by expressing it in the terms of the second order determinant. That means कि आपका जो थर्ड ऑर्डर डिटर्मिनेंट है उसको हमको सेकेंड ऑर्डर डिटर्मिनेंट के फॉर्म में डिवाइड करना होगा. कैसे, वो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में देखेंगे. नाउ दिस इज नोन एज दिस मेथड जो है, इट इज नोन एज द एक्सपांशन ऑफ द डिटर्मिनेंट अलोंग द रो और द कॉलम. That means you can use any row or column for the expansion, and we can use value, we can find the value of the determinant by using the expansion along any row or column. And as we know that in the 3 by 3 matrix there are 3 row and 3 column, so actually we are having a 6 ways to find the value of the determinant, and each way will give us the same value. Now let me see student how to find the expansion of the determinant. So here we have all the steps. So first step what we have to do, पहले तो आप कंसिडर कर लीजिए एक डिटर्मिनेंट. ओके, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स कंसिडर करो 3/3. नाउ यू नो दैट फॉर द स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स 3/3 these are the element of the matrix, and as we want to find out the determinant of A, so we should write down in the symbol of the determinant A11, A12, A13 and so on. Now let me see the steps to find out the value of the determinant. Here total 6 ways are there student, but we will see only one way, that is the expanding along the first row. Similarly you can expand determinant along the second row, third row, first column, second column, the third column. So let me see how to find out the expanding along the first row. So students, when we are expanding along the first row, so this row we have to keep in mind. So this is the row we are having A11, A12 and A13. So when we are expanding along the first row, तो पहले आपको first element consider करना है, that is the A11. So A11 को हमें multiply करना होगा -1 raised to 1 plus 1. Why 1 plus 1 only students? So for this we have to multiply A11 with the 1 plus 1. Why 1 plus 1? For this, let me see here. So because -1 raised to 1 plus 1, तो 1 और 1 क्या होगा, तो A11 के सफिक्स होंगे. ओके, A11. So A11, that's why we are writing 1 plus 1. तो ये होगा आपका I and this is your J. Okay, the first element is I and the second is J, I plus J. So A11, so I is equals to 1, J is equals to 1. So A is -1 raised to 1 plus 1. And आपको A11 को सिर्फ इससे मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है, you have to also multiply the second order determinant. तो second order determinant आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? For finding the second order determinant, what you have to do? You have to erase this column, first column or first row. You should erase this 2. Then what you are getting? A22. Okay, what you are getting? A22, A23, A32 and A33. So that means this term. तो आपको पहले क्या करना है, A11 को -1 raised to 1 plus 1 and the determinant which is found by the eliminating the first row and the first column. Why we are eliminating first row and first column? Because that A11 is lies in the first row and first column. That's why. So this is the first step. Now second step, we will proceed the same procedure for the second element. तो A12 को आपको क्या करना है? A12 you will multiply by -1 raised to 1 plus 2. Why 1 plus 2? Because here 1 plus 2. Okay, A12 के suffix क्या है? 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2. And the second order determinant obtained by deleting the elements of the first row and the second column. Okay, because A12 lies in the first row and the second column and the element is this. Similarly, third element, तो हमने फर्स्ट रो से मल्टीप्लाई कर एक्सपांशन कर रहे, तो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एलिमेंट को हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. नाउ थर्ड एलिमेंट, दैट इज A13. So for A13 what we have to do, that -1 we will multiply with the suffix or -1 to the power the suffix of the A13, that is 1 plus 3. So -1 raised to 1 plus 3, that will be, and the second order determinant which can be obtained by deleting the third column and the first row. Okay, first row and the third column, as A13 lies in this, so you will get this thing, -1 raised to 1 plus 3, A13 and this. So now this is the step 1, 2 and 3 के एक्सपेंशन अगर आप कर रहे हो तो A11, A12 और A13 का क्या करना है आपको पहले. Okay, now for finding the value of determinant you have to add all these three things. So here the next step is we are having the determinant value of the determinant is we are adding this all three. Now यहाँ पे जब आप ऐड कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स की ध्यान में रखिए, -1 raised to 1 plus 1 तो क्या होगा 2. So -1 to the 2 power 2, so even power, so it will be positive. -1 raised to 3 odd power, so negative. and minus 1 raised to 4, so even power again positive. So when you are going to expand it, you will get a11. Now solve this 2 by 2 determinant. You know that how to solve. First principal diagonal, then secondary diagonal. So a22 into a33 minus a23 into a32 minus a12 a21 into a33 minus a23 into a31 plus a13 into this. Why my plus, minus and plus? Because of this power. Okay, so this is the expansion along the first row. Okay, अगर आपको सेकेंड रो से एक्सपांड करना है तो आपको क्या करना होगा, तो यहाँ पे a11 नहीं आएगा, हियर इट विल बी a21 और माइनस 1 रेज टू पावर क्या होगा 2 प्लस 1 दैट इज 3, तो यहाँ पे माइनस होता माइनस a21 and the determinant which can be obtained by deleting the second row and the first column because a21, right? So similarly you can proceed and then in the last you should add all the three elements. Here I am taking an example here how to find out the determinant of A. तो ये बहुत easy method है स्टूडेंट. क्या करना है आपको, तो क्या पहले हम क्या करेंगे 1, ये पहला एलिमेंट हुआ. ओके, नाउ डिलीट दिस रो एंड कॉलम, तो आपको क्या मिल रहा है डिटरमिनेंट 1013. देन माइनस, तो माइनस ये सिंबल आप याद रख लीजिए, इट इज प्लस माइनस एंड प्लस. वाई, बिकॉज ये फर्स्ट, जब हम फर्स्ट रो से एक्सपांशन कर रहे हैं तो सो दिस इज फर्स्ट प्लस हियर माइनस एंड हियर प्लस. ओके, ये फर्स्ट रो से अलॉन्ग कर तो प्लस माइनस प्लस. सेकेंड रो होगा तो आपके यहाँ सिंबल आएगा माइनस देन प्लस एंड देन माइनस. You can use any of the row or any of the column for the expansion. पर हाँ किसी भी एक रो और एक कॉलम का यूज करें. You cannot use a 2 row and 2 column. Okay. So here the first row से अगर हम expand कर रहे हैं तो for this what we are having? First one, first element that is a 1 into the determinant which can be obtained by deleting this column and this row. So 1013 minus 2. Now determinant which can be obtained by deleting second row and first column. So 3023 plus minus 1. Now delete this column and row. So you will get 3121. And then the further solution, you know student कि 1013 है, तो how you will solve this determinant? 1 into 3 minus 1 into 0. First principal diagonal, then subsidiary diagonal. So 1 into 3 minus 1 into 0. Then minus 2, 3 into 3 minus 2 into 0. Plus minus 1, 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1. And then further solution is easy for you. Your answer is student minus 16. So in this way you can find the value of the determinant. यहाँ पे मैंने फर्स्ट रो का ये यूज किया है. सो दिस इज लाइक दैट. अगर आप सेकेंड रो यूज करेंगे तो सेकेंड रो में क्या होगा माइनस 3 into the determinant, इसको आप डिलीट करो तो 2 minus 1 and 1 3 and then solve that one. Then plus 1 into determinant which can be obtained by deleting second row and second column. So 1 minus 1 2 3. अगर second row का आप यूज कर रहे तो you can do it by that way also student. So this is the things we are having. Now here I have some points for you to be remember or remark you can keep in mind. First, जब भी आप determinant solve कर रहे हो, so just remember the sign of the each element. Okay, जैसे कि first row है तो plus minus plus. If you use second row then minus 1 plus minus, then plus minus plus. If you use first column then plus minus plus, second column minus plus minus and plus minus plus. So you can easily find the calculation of the determinant student, and this you will understood very soon in the next class when we will see the solve the examples. You will get the clear idea how to use it. Now second thing is, if any matrix is multiplied by any number, here this is a matrix A which is multiplied by 2. So determinant of A जब हम find कर रहे हैं, so its value is 16. Okay. Now if we are adding this, so A के अंदर क्या है डिटरमिनेंट में, तो फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकेंड रो दोनों में से 2 हम कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. So we have taken common 2 from the first row and 2 from the second row. Then remaining elements in the determinant is 1, 1 and minus 1, 3. Remember student, जब हमारे पास matrix था, when you are multiplying a matrix by an element, that means you have to multiply that element, that scalar with each element. But जब आप determinant को multiply करते हो तो that means you are multiplying with that element with any row or a column. Okay, it is not that 2 को हमने multiply किया, that means you multiply by all. Okay, this means that 2 is multiplied with first row and 2 is multiplied with second column. So यहाँ से हमने दोनों में से 2 common निकाल दिया. So then when you are solving it, you are getting the same answer 16. But मुझे same answer से नहीं, मुझे यहाँ पे connection की बात करनी है. So here you can see where if A is equals to KB, यहाँ पे ये जो मैट्रिक्स है वो कैसे लिखा जा रहा है, 4 into B. Okay, so that's why 2 into B, that matrix is there. So if A and B are square matrix or same order and determinant of A you want to find, then it will be K raised to n into B. Okay, where K is the number multiplied here, so here the number is multiplied is 2, and in the matrix it is a 2 into matrix 2 2 minus 2 6, right? So therefore here K is equals to 2, n is the order of the matrix, that is a 2 by 2. Okay, n is the order of the matrix, that is 2 by 2, and determinant of B is this 1 1 minus 1 3, right student? So remember, if A is equals to KB, then determinant of A will be K raised to n into B. This can be used as in the objective question. So keep in mind this all things students. Now today we stop here. So thank you and have a nice day.